If you're curious about the just released ScienceOS AI software, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know about it and why this could be a game changer for anyone looking to leverage AI. Stick with me till the end because I'm about to share some insights that'll make you rethink how you approach AI in your daily tasks. First off, ScienceOS AI stands out because it's a highly versatile tool with capabilities across various sectors. Whether you're working in marketing, business development, or content creation, this software adapts and integrates with your needs seamlessly. What makes it truly exciting is the combination of ease of use and sophisticated features. It's made to cater to both beginners and more experienced users. One of the major selling points of ScienceOS AI is its intuitive interface. The learning curve is minimal, which means you can get started right away without a deep technical background. This is a huge benefit, especially when you're trying to quickly implement AI into your workflow. It's a rarity for such a powerful tool to be so accessible, and that's what sets ScienceOS apart. Now let's talk about the automation features. ScienceOS AI automates complex processes that would usually take hours. For example, in marketing, it can generate detailed reports, analyze consumer behavior, and even help optimize campaigns without constant manual intervention. That's a massive time saver for digital marketers who are looking to increase efficiency while maintaining accuracy. And yes, it learns as it goes, giving you better results with time. Another aspect worth mentioning is how ScienceOS handles data processing. It's designed to manage large data sets efficiently, helping you make sense of information that would otherwise be overwhelming. This can be incredibly valuable for businesses that rely on data-driven decisions. Instead of spending days analyzing data manually, ScienceOS AI can pull insights and generate predictions in a fraction of the time. And if you're wondering about its scalability, this tool excels in that department. Whether you're just starting out or you're running a large enterprise, ScienceOS AI adjusts to your needs. It grows with your business, ensuring that you're always ahead of the curve. You don't have to worry about outgrowing it because its infrastructure is designed to scale effortlessly. When it comes to customer support, ScienceOS AI offers top-notch assistance. You get access to a team of experts who can guide you through any hiccups you may face while using the software. This isn't just a use it and forget it solution. They're committed to ensuring you get the most out of the software, which is a huge relief for anyone venturing into AI for the first time. Finally, let's touch on the pricing model. For those who are hesitant about making a commitment, you can actually try ScienceOS AI for free. That's right, no strings attached. This makes it a low-risk opportunity for anyone who's interested in exploring AI software, but doesn't want to dive in headfirst without testing it out first. I highly recommend giving ScienceOS AI a shot if you're looking for a powerful, user-friendly tool to integrate AI into your workflow. If you're still on the fence, you can try it for free using the first link in the description below. And as always, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've listed my top recommended ones for you in the description as well. Don't forget to check them out for even more AI solutions that could transform the way you work.